So hello student, this is class 9th. Class 9th and subject is biology. And in the biology we are studying about the osmosis. Osmosis. And for osmosis, I told you last time, osmosis with the help of decelled egg. Today one more activity is there, osmosis with reagents. Osmosis with reagents. So you see the activity 5.4. Activity 5.4. What materials you have required here? Here, what materials required? Materials required. Reagents, water and concentrate sugar solution. And concentrate sugar so it is better to osmosis with reagents. Grapes, usually you include reagents. Grapes. So what materials required? It will change the method. So observe the properly. Reagents and other is the grapes, water and concentrate sugar solution. What thing you can? Reagents, grapes, water, concentrate sugar solution. These things are needed. So method, what you have to do? Method. Method. It is better to take the beaker. Take a beaker containing water. This is beaker containing water. This is a beaker, and in beaker you have to place the water. Beaker containing water, and in this beaker you put 5 reagents. So in this you keep five raisins. Raisins. So what happens? Take the beaker and beaker you put raisins and leave it 3 or 4 hours. It is better to leave it for the 5 or 6 hours. And observe, and in the observation you find that raisins swells up. These are the raisins. We have to draw diagrams. Raisins swells up. What happens? This raisins swells. Raisins swells. And in second experiment, this is the first experiment, and the second experiment you take, this is first, and second you take a beaker containing concentrate sugar solution. Second beaker containing concentrate sugar solution. Here this is a beaker containing concentrate sugar solution. Here important term is there, concentrate sugar solution, and here water is there. Here it is. And now in this beaker you put some grapes. You put some grapes. This is sugar solution, and in this sugar solution we are keeping grapes. We are keeping grapes. Grapes, and now observe you after a few hours you observe, then what you will observe? grabs, shrinks. It is shrinkage of the grapes. Here grapes, shrinks. This shrinks. What happens in this? In first experiment, resin swells, while in second experiment, grapes shrink. How this happens? In the first experiment, you know that since outside there is a water, pure water, and the concentration of water is more outside in comparison to the inside of the cell or inside the resin. That is why water moves from outside to inside the cell, and that is why resin shrinks. So, since this process is osmosis and water movement takes place from outside to inside, so it is called the end osmosis. This process is called the end osmosis. This is the first, there is the end osmosis. This is end osmosis. And here in second experiment, this is concentrate sugar solution and this is grapes. What happens here? Outside it is the concentrate sugar solution and inside grapes, that inside the grapes comparatively to outside dilute sugar solution, or we can say that the outside there is less water concentration in comparison to the inside the grapes. That is why water molecules from the grapes moves to the outside into the medium, and that is why grapes shrink. So this process is called exosmosis. So this is exosmosis. This is exosmosis. So you have studied about the osmosis, the movement of water molecules from the region of higher water concentration to region of the lower water concentration via selectively permeable membrane is called as the osmosis. So osmosis is of two types. One is endosmosis and other is exosmosis. When movement of water molecules takes place from outside to inside the cell, it is called as the end osmosis. End means when water molecule moves from outside to inside the cell. And other is exosmosis, when movement of water molecule takes place from inside to outside the cell. It is called as the exosmosis. This is the exosmosis. So best example you can study about the when grapes is kept into the water, it swells due to endosmosis. And when a grapes is kept into a concentrated sugar solution, it shrinks due to exosmosis. So that is about endosmosis and exosmosis. So thank you. That's for today.